And after ending a 9-year drought for their hold on the Premier League title, the Harbour community is over the moon as the club finally returned to the summit.
Up to 5 years ago, Harbour were listed among the elites of Jamaica's club football, but they had missed a step and fell below the radar as other clubs stepped forward. However, Restoration 2022 has seen them back among the top brass.
We have focused on the youth league redevelopment and we're gently building back. Now we have put it all together probably quicker than we thought, and the players, the coaches, the management staff performed excellently when it mattered most. So congrats to them all. Well done.
Stanley J.J. Stewart is a former player at the club.
We're very, very happy. Delighted, everything. We should have won it from a long time. So I'm so glad to be in the position to have the cup now.
Sabuela Lemard has 2 reasons to celebrate. Apart from being a fan of the club, her son Jamon Shepherd is a member of the victorious team.
One Harbour View, no more view not in a Premier League, but Harbour View. Make them know that. One Harbour View, 5-star.
How you feel to be champion?
Wow, we crave for this. A 6th place we have come from. Remember, say we're almost gone at dirt. I will come back 6th place, I will do the maths.
And coach Ludlow Bernard paid tribute to one of his fallen soldiers.
This win to Luton Shelton, one of my fallen soldiers who would have been proud of what has transpired today. I also want to big up Jermaine Yu and Richard Edwards, 2 persons who continually supported the group, and many other Harbour View persons. But for Luton Shelton, this is for you. Precious in Tivoli, this is for you. Babbitt, wherever you are, this is for you and the family.
Harbour will now have the CONCACAF Club Championship to contend with. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.